Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about purple shampoo. So if you guys don't know me, I am a natural blonde. I always have had blonde hair. I'm very brassy, so I'm always trying to find ways to make it more silver and just like get rid of the brass because I don't love the yellow tone. So I've used a million different purple shampoos. I always have to get my hair toned whenever I go to the hair salon, which is rare. So yeah, I've tried like maybe 5 different purple shampoos that are pretty spendy, that I've loved. I haven't had any problem with the expensive ones, but I found this on Amazon. This is the Bold Unique Purple Shampoo. It's almost got 5 stars. It's got thousands of reviews, and guys, I had to come on here and give a review about it because as you can see right now, my hair does not look yellow at all. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys from start to finish what my hair looks like. I have used the product a couple times, so it didn't start out looking fully yellow, but I can like insert photos of what my hair has looked like in the last week. I've been using this for now 2 weeks, and guys, I'm here to tell you guys you need to purchase this, and it's not expensive at all. Also, you can purchase it with a comb, which I don't know where combs have been in the shower my whole life, because like ever since I started using this, I'm like, why haven't I always had a comb in there? Not just to disperse the purple shampoo, but just to have a comb in general. It's really nice because it like exfoliates the top of my head, it brings blood circulation, and it just feels really good to have a comb. So I got that. You can get either this or you can get both of them together. Doesn't matter. Either way, I'm going to show you guys start to finish. I'm going to wash my hair, and in just a second I'm going to start looking like a hot mess because I don't have any makeup on, but I just wanted to show you guys. I love this purple shampoo, and you guys need to get on the bandwagon if you guys are blondes like me, have been blondes like me with brassy hair. So yeah. So this is going to be my 3rd time using this product. I've had it for like a couple weeks now, but my hair is so greasy right now. I'm going to go ahead and wash it and do it again. But my hair is still kind of silver. It was super yellow to start with, but I'll show you now. This is what it looks like, and then you'll see in a second when I hop in the shower. I'm going to get ready for the day, so you guys won't see me looking like this anymore. So I'm going to hop in. So this is the shampoo. It smells pretty good. It just is supposed to remove brassy and yellow tones. I have noticed it does kind of dye my hands a little bit, so I have to scrub my hands a little bit better. But yeah, anyways, I got this also with it. This is the brush. Oh my gosh, there's hair on it. How disgusting. But it's really easy to disperse the product throughout the hair. I really like using it for my conditioner as well. It just really feels good to exfoliate. So yeah. So I look like a hobo, but I'm gonna just show you. I've already just applied it in my hair, and I'm just combing through the whole entire thing. So I'm still in the process of getting ready, but guys, already so much more silver. I love this. I love how fresh it looks. I love how my natural falls into it. I always like having the top of my hair darker. So yeah, I'm gonna blow dry it, put some lashes on, and all right, I just hair dried and straightened and everything. I'm gonna go in natural lighting so you guys can see. So yeah. All right, here it is in natural sunlight. What do you think? I think it's got a good result. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.